Welcome to the world of Power BI, your new best friend in transforming raw numbers into clear insights. Think of it as a smart storyteller that works behind the scenes of your spreadsheets and databases. What makes Power BI stand out from the crowd? It blends data connection, modeling, and visualization in one workspace. Fewer exports, fewer versions of the truth, and more time for you to focus on insights. Power BI Desktop, your free application for creating reports, is where the magic begins. Your online hub for sharing dashboards is none other than Power BI Service. And let's not forget Power BI Mobile. Access your KPIs on the go. The Data Gateway acts as a secure bridge for your on-prem databases. Companies that keep everything in-house benefit from the Power BI Report Server. Each piece integrates seamlessly, so start small and grow into enterprise reporting. Let's take a quick look at the Power BI workflow. First, connect to various data sources, be it Excel sheets or SQL tables. Next, use the built-in Power Query Editor to transform your data. Define relationships and add calculations using DAX. Visualize your data instantly with stunning charts and visuals. Finally, share your insights with the world by publishing to Power BI Service. Why do analysts and educators swear by Power BI? It handles millions of rows smoothly and offers real-time updates. So, which metric on your dashboard will tell a story you haven't heard before?